tell me about yourself?
My name is Titin Puji Astuti, originally from Brebes. I am 21 years old, graduated in 2020 from the nurse profession at the Sultan Agung Semarang University. I am a highly motivated who wants to dedicate his whole life to nursing. I am a great communicator and love helping people.
What motivates you to be a nurse?
Motivation for going into care because I know being a nurse is not just caring but also teaches us to care, friendly, sincere, and always smile to every patient, visitor, or fellow friend who deals in the world of health. In my opinion, treating it is a noble job because it is the nurse who must be on time to treat patients every day in the hospital. In addition, nurses have many job opportunities not only in hospital but in other health services such as health center, clinic, and teaching at the health faculty. Especially outside the country, there are many jobs available for nurses. The lecturer tried to work as a nurse abroad quickly get rich because of the salaries offered a lot, but on the condition of caring for him must also be professional. But of course, that was not the first reason I entered nursing, but indeed because I feel fit and happy with the profession.
Where did you get your training and what qualification and certification do you have?
I training for emergency patient, basic trauma cardiac, life support training, intensive care unit training, neonatal intensive care unit training, healthcare certificates, global healthcare certificates, certificate healthcare study, allied health certificate, biomedical study certificates, health technology certificates, health certificate.
What specialty do you choose?
Nurse specialist.
Why did you decide to choose this specialty, or why did you choose your specialty area of nursing?
Big community nursing as a center of excellence in the development of science and technology, community science, and specialist practitioner of community nursing that are culturally sensitive and responsive to the needs of public health nursing.
Tell me why you want to work here, or why do you want this job? Why are you interested in this particular nursing job?
Feel able to work hard, and I already know a little about the hospital health. I've also been training about this case. My house is also close to this hospital, so I can be able to work here. My reason is because I want to help and build health in children in need.
Do you have any job experience?
Never worked, but I already have a lot of experience in the hospital, from caring for community to the elderly, from helping patient mobilization, patient infus, helping patient in personal hygiene, from hospital admission to discharge from hospital. This is all me doing practicing in several hospitals.
Do you work better independently or as part of a team? Describe.
Prefer parts of the team. Teamwork is a form of group work with complementary skills and is committed to achieving previously agreed targets to achieve common goals effectively and efficiently. It must be realized that teamwork as a fusion of various individuals will become on one person to achieve common goals. These goals are not personal goals, not team leader goals, nor are the goals of the most popular person on the team. In a team, what is needed is a willingness to join hands completing work. It could be that one person did not complete the work or was not an expert in work, but it could be done by other team members. This is what is meant by teamwork. The burden is shared for one common goal.
Describe to us how you perform under pressure. What types of situation do you find stressful on the nursing floor? How do you manage it?
Create a good work environment, looking for solutions to resolve problems, social support, loud, listening to music, a short break, refreshing.
What do you enjoy the most about nursing?
What I like about nursing is that it can help a sick person with passion. Friend lines to passion and passion of a nurse can help the help of someone who is in need of handling from a nurse. Nurses have a high regard for the patient.
What do you find it challenging or difficult about being a nurse, or recall a difficult situation and describe how you handle it?
The hardest part of being a nurse is when I have patients who are very unhappy or in pain and I cannot comfort them to the degree that I want. I continue to discuss with the treating doctor so that he has as much information as possible about the patient pain level. Sometimes patients don't communicate effectively with doctor and I try to help bridge the communication gap. I once had patient whose families had difficulty communicating with them. They are rather aggressive when dealing with nursing staff and always pass the doctor when asking routine questions even though they meet with him on schedule during the patient stay.
Discuss your biggest strength and weakness.
I have outstanding leadership qualities and interpersonal skills which help me to coordinate well with my colleagues.
How do you feel your background has prepared you for this role?
The medical path for 2 years helped me build confidence and taught me the importance of patient care. I've also got a track record of success. In my last role, I judged a variety of patient loads, assisted in a charity fundraise, and become an advocate for senior patients. Because of this, the hospital is launching a new educational program to teach nurses how to better care for elderly patients.
Stay current with the nursing profession, or how do you keep up with the latest information in your field?
Nursing is an interesting profession because nurses work in the forefront of health service and often become the first meeting point between patient and doctor when addressing important medical problems. Nurses work closely with health practitioners addressing important medical problems, including doctor and therapists. Nurses also work closely with patients and their families, ensuring nurses get the latest information about the patient condition. Nurses that is very greatly depending on their specialization, level of qualification, and when nurses work such as hospital, clinics, age. However, some nurses tasks might include maintaining and supervising.
So, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Or what are your future goals?
5 years, I'd like to have an even better understanding of this industry. Also, I really love working with people. Ultimately, I'd like to be in some type of managerial role at this hospital, where I can use my people skills and nursing knowledge to benefit the nurses working for me and the patient.
and hospital as a whole. I would like to have profound knowledge of nursing by way of earning a doctoral degree so that I can serve people with more advanced techniques. Thus, your salary requirements are interested in the role itself than the price. That said, I expect to be paid the appropriate rank for this role based on my 5 years of experience. I also think a fine salary would bear in mind the high cost of living here. Tell us why we should hire you. Hire me because I have 4 years of experience in nursing that equips me with the ability to handle critical cases with utmost passion. I can be an asset for your health care center and strength in times of weakness. I will do my best to bring innovation in nursing that can improve healthcare outcomes. Do you have any question for us? Do you organize any seminar and workshop for enhancing the knowledge and competency of a nurse?